is Романычева. I am a student of platoon number 411 of College of Police. The subject of my female English credit in forestry investigation of traces. The main target is study of the section of forestry technology in importance in the investigation of crimes. The task is following study on the dispensation of forestry science, the formation of theoretical and practical skills in the student. I decided to choose this subject because it is the most interesting to study.
Topic: Forensic investigation of traces. In this video lesson, I would like to pay special attention to the study of human handprints, ways of fixing and removing them. Hand marks. The detection of handprints gives us the opportunity to identify a person, limit the circle of suspects, approximately determine the sex, height and age of a person, as well as establish the mechanism for committing a crime. There are two types of handprints, palms and phalanges. In order to determine the gender of the face that left the mark, we need to measure the length of the brush. So, for example, if the size corresponds to 17.4 centimeters or less, then this trace may belong to a woman. And if the size is 18.8 centimeters or more, then such a trace is more often male. There are several ways to identify handprints, namely visual, physical, and chemical. The visual method is that we can detect the handprint with the naked eye without auxiliary tools. Physical consists in the use of special fingerprint powders, fumigation with iodine wars. This is done so that a barely noticeable trace can be shown stronger. The chemical is similar in action to the physical, only there are used special chemical elements such as alexan, benzidine, and others. We can remove fingerprints with the help of a fingerprint powder, which we apply to the place where the trace was found, after which we carefully transfer the developed trace onto a fingerprint film and fix it. Fingerprinting is the process of obtaining impressions of the nail phalanges of the fingers and palms of a person's hands, carried out for the purpose of criminal registration, obtaining samples of fingerprints necessary for a comparative study. Fingerprinting rules. Wash and dry your hands. Check for fresh lesions on the skin. Prepare a fingerprint card. Roll out the paint on the plate in a thin layer. Apply paint to fingers. Place the finger on the edge so that the entire phalanx of the finger fits. Finger rolls edge to edge. Controlled prints of thumbs are made by applying. Indicate visible defects, scars, injuries, if any. Summing up the above, I want to note that the study of human handprints is an integral part of forensic science and makes a huge contribution to the investigation of crimes. I hope the given information was useful for you. If so, push the like and sign up to our channel. Thank you for your attention.